Hello, in this video I will show you how to transfer a project from another account in Lovable. Ownership change. So first off, I'll tell you that Lovable does not let you directly move a project between accounts like a file export. Instead, you can transfer it by inviting the other account and changing ownership. Step 1 is opening your project. Log into Lovable account on lovable.dev. Now, click All Projects and open the project that you want to transfer. After clicking the project that you want to transfer, make sure you are the project owner. Inside the project, open Project Setting by clicking your app's name at the top left and clicking Settings. Now, navigate to People and here you will see the option to invite new member. Simply type in the email of new member and click Invite. Now, invite the other person using their email address here and they must accept the invite first. Now, once the user accepts your invitation, you can simply see their email address just right here. And under Rule, you can click Editor and choose Owner. So, you can here change their role to owner or admin if ownership transfer is allowed. This will give them the full control over the project. Now, in the member setting just right here, click three dots next to their name and select transfer ownership and confirm. This project will now be fully moved to their account. After transfer, you can downgrade your role or remove yourself from the project completely. Both accounts must be active, Lovable accounts, and some plans restrict owner transfership. So make sure you have a pro or active plan if the transfer is not happening. Also, billing responsibility may move with ownership. So, the only workaround is inviting the other account as admin, letting them duplicate or recreate the project under their account, and you would have surely done this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.